Delhi is literally bursting at the seams. And one of the most happening outskirts, Indirapuram, is a leading example of that. Now, with the next Commonwealth Games round the corner, it has got an added boost. Hectic construction activities are on in the locality to house a distinctly upmarket style of life. Hence, quality and class are of essence for the upcoming projects. One example, GC Grand, a prestigious project by Gulshan Homes. Located conveniently near major shopping and entertainment centers. There are 2, 3 and 4 BHK flats in GC Grand. This is the 3 BHK sample flat of 2000 square feet. It has been decked up so that you get a fair idea of how to do up your flat when you get in. The flat has 3 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 servant room, a kitchen with modular fittings, 3 toilets and a balcony. Each room's designed to provide the benefits of optimum space management. अंदर आते ही सबसे पहले पड़ता है 220 स्क्वायर फुट का ये लिविंग रूम। The modern vitrified tiles give you a warm welcome walk. The room is spacious enough to be your relaxation and socializing zone. And for a leisurely stroll or a lazy chat, here's the balcony attached to the living room. And for relishing those sumptuous moments of dining together, here's the dining space. As is seen here, a 6-seater dining table may fit in easily here. Its area is around 100 square feet. This is the kitchen, the most important place for a housewife. The kitchen is fully equipped with modular fittings, microwave oven, refrigerator and hob. The area of the kitchen is 95 square feet. Now we enter the most private part of the flat, the master bedroom. इसका एरिया है 165 square feet. And it offers more than most master bedrooms. For example, it comes with a wardrobe with hydraulic drawers. And you can fit in many modern accessories in this room. This is the attached bathroom, fitted with modern accessories. It has an area of around 45 square feet. There's a balcony attached to the master bedroom as well. इस रूम को देखकर आपको पता चल गया होगा कि ये रूम है आपके बच्चों के लिए. Kids need a little space for themselves. इसका एरिया है 130 स्क्वायर फीट. ये है इस रूम का टॉयलेट विद मॉडर्न एंड स्टाइलिश सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स. There's also a small balcony attached to the kids' room. There's an extra bedroom for housing guests. This 111 square feet room is designed for a comfortable stay. The wooden flooring and the spacious wardrobe make this room special. There is an attached bathroom with this room too. And for a full-time servant, there's a small bedroom of 66 square feet. इसके साथ ही attached है एक separate bathroom. Other facilities in this society will be wireless internet connectivity, provision for power backup, and intercom connection in every flat. इन अपार्टमेंट्स की USP है टेरेस पे बना हुआ रूफटॉप क्लब, स्विमिंग पूल, किड्स पूल, रीडिंग रूम, लेडीज जकूजी, लेडीज स्पा एंड जिम्नेजियम. तो है ना ये हर तरफ से कंप्लीट अपार्टमेंट्स.